I'm Dr. Carlos Orozco, and I am the principal advisor of a company called SymphonyTree. And this is regarding the science behind the company. My background is in biology, in immunology and biochemistry, and then in medicine, specializing in fertility and women's health, looking at oncology, basically breast and cervical cancers. Later on in life, I did a naturopathic course and learned a lot about energy. And then from there, I've taken it a bit further, and now I'm using quantum physics and quantum mechanics to talk to people about this amazing world of energy. Everything in the universe is spinning, and it's spinning according to certain numbers. Number 1, for example, means harmony, unification. Number 2 means duality, and that means the and. Number 3 means stability, and that means the 3. Number 4 means communication, and that is through resonance. Number 4 is gratefulness, or being grateful. Number 6 is isomerism. Iso means same, mer means number. The only way you can get a 6 out of the same number is if you add 3 and 3. And when the intersection happens, you got the Star of David right in the middle, and that's an hexagon. Number 7 happens to complete a cycle, and there are 7 days in the week, 7 colors in the rainbow, 7 notes in music, 7 chakras in the body. God created the cosmos in 7 days. Number 8 is something we call perfection. And perfection is such because if you take number 8 and you put it on its side, that horizontal position gives the 8 a universal symbol that has been used to describe infinity. For something to be infinite, needs to be perfect. Then we got number 9 that allows us to build up upon things. And then number 0. And number 0 is the beginning again once we have set a foundation. So the topic of this video is to show you how all these numbers come together using the beauty wand, the home water energizer, and the pendant. Now we have the 0 as the beginning, but this time the 1 will come on board and will spin either to the right and to the left. When it goes counterclockwise, and that means it's going from right to left, what it will happen is that 1 will land to the left of the 0 and will give us a 10. A 10 is 10 times greater than the 0, so we're going up. However, when that 1 goes the other way and spins clockwise, that 1 is going to land to the right of the 0, and that will give us a 0.1. These are events that happen in nature every time, because where there is expansion, there is constriction. Where there is growth, there is also a decrement in energy. Where there is pressure, there is something that allows the volume to be squeezed and reduced. So all these issues happened because the energy simply spins and gives two phenomena happening exactly at the same time, and they are exactly the opposite to one another. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and sit quietly and enjoy, because we're going to be talking about the wand, the home water energizer, and the pendant. Just recapping on what we've said so far, the numerology of nature is most important for things to work. So number 1 is hydrogen, and that is unification, which means harmony. Number 2 is helium, and that is duality, and is the word and. Number 3 is lithium, and is stability, and is the trilogy. Number 4 is represented by the hybridization of the atom of carbon, which allows for communication and resonance to take place. Number 5 is beryllium, and that is the sign of gratitude. Number 6 is carbon again, and that is isomerism. Number 7 is nitrogen, and that is completing a cycle. Number 8 is perfection, and it allows for everything to work in perfect harmony. Number 9 is foundation, so that we can build upon things. And number 0 is the origin, so that we can start again. Based on those numbers, we're going to use the Fibonacci spiral to show you something amazing. We're going to do 3 spins. 1, 2, 3, and the spin is just like the one I'm showing there, where you will find that the numbers are coming in, and that is because everything starts small and then it grows. When we bring energy from the cosmos, we bring it in a clockwise fashion so that it will enter the system in a counterclockwise fashion. This is exactly a mirror image. And we'll start with 3 spins. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have done 3 spins 4 times each. Why? The numbers. 3 is stability, 4 is communication, 3 and 4 is 7. I complete a cycle. Move to the next one. I come here, do 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I got another cycle, because 3 and 4 is 7. Now this one is resonating with this one, and this one is resonating with this one in such a way that we form a quantum energy field right here. So now we can use this field in order to build up things and go from little things to big things, and from big things to little things, just like the way nature works. What you will see is that number 55, which is the most outer part of the spiral, sits on 5 and 5. 5 and 5 is 10, 1 and 0 is 1. That is the harmony that is running the cosmos. As the numbers get smaller based on the Fibonacci series, we can actually see, with the next slide that you will show, that in this one, the next slide, you will find that the numbers are coming down. And we started from the beginning, we go into harmony, and we finish with harmony. And this is very easy to see in this table. And the idea is that we bring into the system harmony, stability, duality, gratitude, perfection, communication, and stability. We complete a cycle to have a perfect, harmonious system working together. And this is the addition of the numbers. So what you can see is that the numbers add up, because 0 plus 1 is 1. That is the energy that is within. 55 is 5 plus 5, and that is 1. Why? Because 5 and 5 is 10. 1 and 0 is 1. We got harmony in the cosmos. So what we're doing is basically harnessing that energy and bringing it from the cosmos into the system that we're working in. Okay, now we're going to take the beauty wand and do 3 spins 4 times each throughout the chakras. And this is again 3 plus 4 is 7. And we do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. I've gone clockwise so that the energy is entering counterclockwise, and this is building her up. Now we're going to do the opposite spin, the same thing. We're going to do 3 spins 4 times each. Once again, 3 and 4 is 7. We complete cycles every time we do one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and the last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Now, we have done 3 spins 4 times each, and we have 7 chakras, so 7 times 4 is 28. 2 is duality, 8 is perfection. When we add these 2, and we add the numbers 2 plus 8, we get 10. 1 and 0 is 1. What we've done is we just harmonize her body, because number 1 means unification. It means harmony. Now, number 8, we said, is perfection. And we're going to remind the body that it's able to work in a perfect way by doing 8s 4 times each. So I'm going to take the wand and I'm going to do a figure 8, starting from the head, finishing with the crown, with the root chakra, in this fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have done an 8 that way, now I'm going to do it the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do it diagonally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we've done is an energy field within the body, because it's exactly the same as having the glasses lined up like this. The dots that I did, meaning that glass, that glass, that glass, and that glass, allows us to build up a pyramid, and now she is energized. And she's got that energy within her, and her body can use it for whatever her body needs to. This is the home water energizer. We can connect it to pipes and allow our pipe to come in and to get out, following the direction of the arrow, which always needs to point towards the outlet. When we use it like the way I'm going to use it, we simply blow on it. And we're going to blow with a little bit of physics behind. We're going to do some vectors. And the first one goes from the bottom to the top. The second one, just blowing, the top to the bottom. And then we do a crossing on the heart chakra. And just simply doing that, she's been energized. Now we're going to do some 8s, the way we did it with the wand. So I'm going to blow 1 dot here, 1 dot there, 1 dot there, 1 dot there, and then you're simply going to do this each 8 only once. The reason being, the home water energizer is 4 times more potent than the wand, so we don't need to do that many spins. So let's have a look and see what you think this will do for you, because you can do this as you watch this video. So we start like this. There's no need to follow with your body the shape of the 8. You can simply move your hand and trace the 8 as you are doing it. So we have done it that way. Now we're going to do it sideways. Once again, now we have created an energy field. Those are the ones that you're seeing here. What that is allowing us to do is for the energy to come into her body and do whatever it needs to do. One more blow on this one, and that's all you need to do. And that is the diagonal. And with that, we have covered the whole body. If someone has an ache or a pain in one of the joints, for example, or in the head, you are more than welcome to use this. There's no recipe for this. And you can do exactly as I've done in the whole body, but just in the head area. Let's say she has a headache. So we need to get rid of that one. So we simply do the same thing, but just on the head. Have a look. And then I simply go and do figure 8s. Now I'm going to do it sideways. And now I'm going to do it diagonal. And just by doing that, she has now a quantum energy field just in the head area. The pendant is our third device on this video. This is the easiest to use because you can just simply hang it over your neck, and this pulsating energy will keep all the smog away from your body. That means it is smog caused by computers, it's smog caused by electricity, by mobile phones, by light switches, by anything that runs on alternate current, and also everything that runs on electromagnetism. So this is a very handy thing to have, and is the easiest to use. If you want to use it on people, all you need to do is get it out of your neck, face it whatever way you want. There's no a do or don't here. And now all you got to do is blow from the bottom chakra, the base chakra, to the heart, to the base chakra. So you go like this, and then go like that, and then you can come like this, and you can come like that. And you're always simply doing that. Now you've got an energy field. There's no need to spin. There's no need to do any aids. The energy just being transferred across.